Hi guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today we are making a seahorse. This is what the pattern I made looks like. I've made multiple already. Yep, I hope you guys enjoy the process of me making this stuffed animal. I hope it helps you to make one of your own. And I hope the pattern is clear enough. Just let me know in the comments if you need any help. But, let's get to the video. We're starting with the head and going down to the tail. The head, you start with 8 single crochet in a magic ring, move up to 8 increase, and then single crochet increase, 2 single crochet increase. Do 6 rounds of single crochet, 2 single crochet decrease, and then single crochet decrease. These are all different rounds, like single crochet increase is one row. Here's the decrease round, the 2 single crochet decrease. You go one single crochet, and then do your decrease, and you repeat that until you reach the end of your stitch marker. Starting the increase, there is no neck, so you go straight into single crochet increase, and then to slowly make it go down, and instead of like a circle, you make it like an oval. You do rounds of single crochet in between each row, so it would be single crochet increase, and then a round of single crochet, and then 2 single crochet increase, and then a round of single crochet. And you keep doing that until 3 single crochet increase, and then do 6 rounds of single crochet. That's when you start to do your decreases for the stomach into the tail. So then only the front is going to be decreased. And we leave the back straight, and then do about 10 decrease for 3 rows, but only in the front. 5 rounds of regular single crochet, which is for the tail, and you finish it off with 9 decrease. I'm sorry for going so fast because it's the only way for me to fit it all in a 10-minute video. You start the nose off with 6 single crochet in a magic ring, then go up with single crochet increase, and then 3 rounds of single crochet. I always make the nose before I put in the eyes because it helps me find where I want to put the placement for the nose. We were just following this how I said before. I said you do 2 single crochet, and then you do about 10 decrease on every row. It's about 3 rows. And you do a single crochet between each row, then fill in the rest with single crochets after the decreases. Finally, it's time to sew up that nose. It's right in between the eyes, and I usually do it on the row that you stuck the eyes in. These spine things are a little tricky then. It is chaining 35, and then in the third chain you do 5 decrease, You skip one and then you do a slip stitch, and you repeat that until you get to the end. You can go ahead and sew it on after that. I like to start sewing it on at the way top middle of the head. If you wanted the spines to reach to the tip of the tail or something, all you have to do is chain a little more, or if you wanted it shorter, then you just chain a little less. I liked how far down this went, which is why it's this long, but it's all about preference. The arms are kind of the same process, with chaining 5, and then in the 4th chain, you're gonna do 10 double crochet. Go ahead and sew those fins on. And after that, it is time for the reveal. Okay, this is what I like and what I dislike about it. Here is the seahorse. I like the color to it. It's very special, I guess. What I dislike about it is I did use 2 different kind of yarns for this. One was a blanket yarn for the little ridges. I ran out of white and I'm doing my yarn purge, so yeah, I really do like how he turns out though. And this one is to be sold, and the other 3 that I made as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye bye.